wake up.
Yeah.
Wake up.
I'm so lost.
Still asleep, guys. Sorry for that.
Sorry.
A day in a life with Sebas and Julie.
Yeah.
I know, right?
The theaters near
I
you.
just got up.
Theaters near you.
What is it called?
Waking up without coffee.
Yeah.
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus. Yeah, I forgot the name, but it's the most beautiful. Look at that. It's super huge.
From Sophia's garden.
Yeah.
Growing the hibiscus that Sonny Boy hasn't eaten yet.
Oh my god.
So how do you like it? Beautiful.
Paradise.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This is beautiful.
Water is clear.
Yeah, this is amazing. We're gonna go do some little tide pools in here. There's tide pools right there. Surfing Rocky Point, right?
You're holding my mind in a tight grip. When I walk all over you, and your blood is in the water, you go straight through my heart.
We are headed to Makapuu lighthouse. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
We're gonna eat something super weird.
We're gonna eat something. No, it's not super weird.
Super traditional here, but we're gonna eat something like he had been talking about like for a long time, so I wanna try it.
Uli needs to try it. It's called spam musubi, which is basically spam nigiri. Yeah, we're gonna see if we can do that little hike down to the pools. So hopefully we'll be able to show you in a bit how they look, because they're pretty cool. Tide pools of Makapuu. This is the tide pools of Makapuu and the blowhole of Makapuu, and we're going back all the way up there. Oh, sick! How was that? Super sick. We're in the hike up from the Makapuu tide pools all the way down there. We're heading up the cliff face, and it's a pretty nice climb. Good views, the ocean. How you doing? Okay. So where are we going to then?
The Polynesian Cultural Center.
Polynesian Cultural Center, yes.
Yeah,
So we're gonna do a little tourist attraction here in Oahu.
of course.
We're gonna, you know, you have to do it. So they got a good luau thing, and they got the fire dance. Something you gotta do when you're here. We're going a little late,
Super late, I would say.
but whatever. I mean, we'll still have fun. So we'll show you a little bit of how it is once we're there.
Hi.
We got late.
So beautiful.
How do you like your late? Smells good too. What are you looking forward to in the show?
I want to see how they prepare the pig.
They prepare the pig. Why not? So we can learn how to prepare it. Okay. I want to see the hula dancer. And the fire dance.
And we are very drunk.
Oh yeah. So, Pineapple Express.
Pineapple smoothie.
That's what they call it? Pineapple smoothie?
Pineapple smoothie. Really good. They're missing the rum.
Very creamy, no rum. So we're here with Ohana. What's up, Ohana?
Aloha. You know the alert, the siren? It was a howly alert.
Oh, that's what it was.
Gotcha.
Because I was in there.
Yeah,
And we
because
saw
you
a
were-
couple of bugs riding bikes.
Yeah.
No wonder. I was like, damn, I was about to get in the wave and it sounded. Holy alert. Uli uli.
Just really. Just really. That's it.
Yeah, so we're gonna check out Diamond Head. And we'll see you guys at the top.
Tired already.
Tired already? You haven't even started going up. Well, we just got out of the water 2 hour session, right? About 2 hours?
2 hours later.
2 hour sesh in Kaisers. Nice waves. Long period as well, so waves taking a long time, but had a good time. So we'll time lapse you guys. Holy holy. How was it? We'll climb. A lot of steps.
Another sign of growing up, you're growing old, your life keep passing by.